Welcome back on this Thursday morning. So this is what you need to know with this next system. It's going to bring in 2 rounds of precipitation. First one this evening, the next one tomorrow evening. The conditions we can expect, it's going to be wet snow, potentially mixed in with some pockets of freezing rain, heavy snow by tomorrow evening, and then strong winds by Saturday. The travel impacts, at times wet, slushy conditions tomorrow, and then sloppy and potentially limited visibilities on Saturday once winds increase. Some other impacts include possible power outages on Saturday, as well as lakeshore flooding as those winds start to increase as well. That's why I said a high risk for snow and winds, and then a moderate risk for ice. We're not expecting as much freezing rain as the past couple of days were showing we would, but we're still expecting enough to potentially create a glaze of ice out there, enough for you to travel with caution. Here's the setup. We still have quiet conditions out there. That system is still forming out in the west. That main area of low pressure will track through the lower peninsula, and we'll have a cold front move through across the UP. So with the first round of precipitation, a winter weather advisory will be in effect for all of these purple highlighted counties. The second round is going to lead to winter storm watch for most of these blue highlighted counties for round 2 tomorrow evening through Saturday. As far as freezing rain potential and ice accumulation, less than 1/4 inch expected. But hey, it's just enough, as I mentioned, to create some icy spots out there. Now, as far as snowfall amounts, now the first round today, or rather this evening into tomorrow, a couple of inches. This comes with the second round, round 2. Friday evening into Saturday morning. Here's the problem, is going to be the track of the systems. We have several models kind of shifting the axis of the heavy snow a little bit further east or south. Any change with the track of the system will impact where the axis of the heavy snow is going to be at. This is our in-house model showing that the bulk of the snow and the highest amounts will be right in the central areas of the UP, could exceed 18 inches of snow in some of those places, but generally easily around 1 foot of snow expected for the majority of the UP for tomorrow night, extending into Saturday. So this is the hour by hour, round 1 this evening. Some wet snow, a few pockets of freezing rain mixed in by tomorrow morning. This is 7 a.m. A lull, a break during the daytime tomorrow. Here comes round 2, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Some wet snow and a little bit of a mixture. Then that heavy snow ramps up, especially for the central and east end overnight and through to Saturday morning. This is Saturday, 8 a.m. By midday, early afternoon, it's gone. The winds will still be around, though. In fact, strongest winds are expected Saturday morning. This is 2:30 in the morning on Saturday, northeasterly winds, and then here's 8:30 in the morning as we're looking at gusts of around 40 to 45 miles per hour. As we head towards the afternoon on Saturday, the strength of the winds start to decrease, and it all kind of slowly starts to come to an end and taper off. So big time frames of concern: Friday morning, Saturday morning. Sunday looks a little bit better. There's a small little disturbance that'll bring in a little light rain and snow.